I'm on the pocket option platform and I'm going to be trading regular currency pairs utilizing one of my favorite indicators here. So if you click on the indicator icon on the pocket option platform, the indicator is called the Fractal Chaos Bands indicator here. All right. So on our chart setup here, you see a green line and a red line here. The green line represents a dynamic level of resistance, while the red line represents a dynamic level of support. And if we click the pencil icon on the indicator settings, we see that I've set the period to 2, which is the default setting. So we're not going to change the settings on the Fractal Chaos Bands. We'll keep it to 2, the default setting. And for the background here, the styles, I've set my background to white. And the reason why is it makes you see the red and the green lines a lot easier. Okay. So for my candlestick chart, I've set the candles to 1-minute candles, regular Japanese candles. And for my trade timer, I've also set it to 1 minute. So I'll be taking 60-second trades. Okay, so I'm going to pause the video and look for some setups. Okay, so I'm on the Euro Japanese yen currency pair, and I just took a buy trade. And the reason why I took the buy trade here, you see this previous green candle here, it closed outside the upper boundary of the fractal chaos band here. And we have a current candle developing here. So when I took the trade, I suspected that once the price closed outside the fractal chaos band here, there would be a breakout, a bullish breakout to the upside. And this is exactly what happened here. We have a breakout over the next 60 seconds here, candle pushing upward. And so let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiry. We also see a general bullish trend in the price as well. Okay, so we won that trade. All right, so I'm going to pause the video and look for the next setup. Okay, so I'm on the Euro Japanese yen currency pair, and I just took a sell trade or a put trade. And the reason why I took the trade is because the previous red candle closed below the fractal chaos band boundary here. And so this suggests that there's going to be a bearish breakout to the downside. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiry here. Okay, we won that trade. So I anticipated that the price was going to close outside the lower boundary of the chaos band. So I went ahead and took the trade before the actual candle closed here. All right, so let's pause the video and look for the next setup. Okay, so I'm on the Canadian dollar Swiss franc currency pair, and I just took a buy trade because if you notice here, this candle is about to close outside the upper boundary of the fractal chaos band line here. So this suggests to me that there's going to be a bullish breakout to the upside. So I went ahead and took the trade before this green candle actually closed because I knew it was going to close outside the chaos band line here. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiry. Okay, great. So the candle pushed upward as predicted. So we won that trade. All right, so let me pause the video and look for the next setup. Okay, so I'm on the Great British Pound Swiss franc currency pair, and I just took a sell trade here. And the reason why I took the sell trade is, first of all, the previous candle, not the, okay. So now the next candle uh, opens up. And if you notice here, there was another level of support that the candle broke through here. So once I saw the candle break through the previous levels of support, not the current level of support that broke, the candle broke, the first candle that broke, but there's another lower level of support here. And so I went ahead and took the trade because once it broke that level of support, the second level of support, the lower level of support here, I suspected there was going to be a breakout, and that's exactly what happened here. So we won that trade. All right, so let me pause the video and look for one more setup. All right, so I'm on the Great British Pound Canadian dollar, and I just took a sell trade. Uh, Previous red candle here closed outside the Fractal Chaos Band, suggesting a bearish momentum to the downside. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiry. Okay, so we have about 10 seconds left in the trade here. Okay, great. So we won that trade. All right, so if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, share the video, comment on the strategy. If you're interested in trading this strategy, I have a link to the platform in the video comments and in the channel description. Thank you for watching. Gus Schmidt.